Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If some events are missing from your Skylight calendar, the calendar connection itself may actually be working correctly. Sometimes the events are simply hidden by a profile filter linked to a different Skylight profile or outside the date range you are currently viewing. Skylight's current calendar tools let you search events, change between schedule, day, week, and month views, and control which profiles are visible, properly checking that the correct iCloud calendars are selected when events aren't appearing. So this time we're checking the event visibility and calendar organization rather than repeating Wi-Fi or sync reset steps. 1. Tap search and enter the missing event's name. 2. Open filter and enable the profile containing that calendar. 3. Switch between day, week and month views. 4. Tap today or navigate to the event's exact date. 5. Check my Skylight tab, then go to Sync Calendars and confirm the source calendar is listed. 6. Verify that the sync calendar is linked to the correct profile.